Here we are again at this expense spreadsheet, and I'm going to just demonstrate what happens when I add a new record to this spreadsheet, which has search functions in it triggered by these search records up here. So this column is searching for the year. So if I modify this to look for a future year, you'll see no records there because 2024 hasn't happened yet, and I have no bills yet for 2024, so there's no records showing there. So if I change this to 2023, then I have all the records that I've put into this database so far. So that's the purpose for this is the year true column. So this is a formula, and you can see down below that the formula is in that cell. It's looking for D16, which is this cell right here, and it's asking it, is that the year that's current in this cell right up here? So that's the purpose of this search function. And there are two other columns with similar search functions, here and here. So it makes the whole spreadsheet work properly, and it also helps it relate to this expense summary sheet over here. But what happens is when I go to add a new record, that formula doesn't get carried forward. Instead, it's just copying. The formula was replaced with its last calculated value. So if I put 2024 in here, it's not going to be able to do the math and know that that does not belong to 2023. So it's not going to function properly. So in order to fix that, each time I add a record, I have to go ahead and copy this formula, add it to this, paste it in this record here in this cell, and do the same for the two other columns to make the spreadsheet work properly. But those formulas are carried down through the rows of the spreadsheet and should continue to be carried forward, not have to be manually recopied and repasted each time you add a row. So I delete the row and then add another record, and bang, get those error messages again. Trying to figure out how to solve that problem. So any advice that you could offer would be greatly appreciated. Thanks very much.